Hello friends, if you also want to do good photography from your mobile, then you must watch this video till the end. I will tell you in this video how you download Google Camera. Google Camera is the best camera application. I will tell you that you only in 3 easy steps. You can download Google Camera in your phone. So let's start the video. Step number 1. Open Play Store app and type Gcam. Step number 2. Install Gcam app in your phone. If you like our video, then like our video and subscribe our channel and click on all notification bell to see our new videos. Step number 3. Open Gcam app. Click to the Download Google Camera Stable version in your phone. Allow from the all source. Allow and click to the OK button. Open the File Manager app. Click to the Install Google Camera app. Click to the Allow button. Your Google Camera is ready.